What's going on, Fireflies? It is me, NeonMUA, and I am back at you with another video. You missed me, didn't you? So in my video reviewing the Bretman Rock Morphe collab, I asked you guys if you wanted to get a tutorial on this look. Insert clip here. If you guys want a tutorial on this look, let me know, because I'll give you one, because this is a look and I love it. I will gladly give a tutorial for this look. And I went on Twitter and to see if you guys, wanted to see it. You guys did. So yeah, I don't blame you. This look is bomb. So yeah, you guys, I am hitting you guys with a tutorial on this. I guess you could describe it as a sunset halo. It's got a lot of reds, it's got a lot of golds, it's got a lot of orange and lavender as a little hint. It's definitely got spring vibes screaming at you. But yeah, this look is definitely a new fave of mine. It's in my Hall of Fame. If you haven't noticed on Instagram, you should go ahead and check that out at NeonMUA on Instagram. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how you can achieve this halo look or this look. I tried to stick as close to the original as possible. I tweaked a few things here and there because I felt they would be more suitable. You'll see those in the video, but you guys will definitely be able to enjoy this look because I enjoy it and I want you guys to enjoy it with me. So yeah, as always, before I begin this video, make sure you go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means a lot, you guys. Just go ahead. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next time I upload. Also, make sure you guys are telling your friends. Tell a friend, share this video. Share this video on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, wherever. Share it, tag a friend, have them share it, spread it around. I want to get more views. I want to get more subscribers. I'm not going to lie to you and say, oh, well, I'm just doing. No, I want people to see my videos. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I want people to see my content. I want people to enjoy my content. I don't want the same 30 people watching my videos, which is really like 10 people because they probably watch it more than once, which is usually me. But I'm going on a tangent here. So listen, go ahead, share this video, guys, on all your social media platforms. Tag a friend. Tell them, hey, there's this awesome guy on YouTube you should check out. I'll chat with you. I don't care. Just share. Come on. I want to show my love to you guys. Come on. Without further ado, you guys, we're going to get right into this tutorial for my sunset halo look. So let's go. Alright guys, so we're just gonna start. I'm going to stay as closest to the picture as possible, but yeah. I'm starting with the NYX Angel Veil Primer. Anytime that I need my makeup to look A1, I usually go with this primer. It is the plug. Next, I have a little bit of acne scarring, so I'm just going to go in and color correct. I'm going to take the NARS Natural Longwear Radiant Foundation. As you guys know, NARS is the plug for my complexion products. I feel like they make some of the best complexion products because of the undertones and how the skin looks afterwards, and it's just lovely consistency. I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and this concealer is a bob. Everything using is a bob. And to set that concealer, I'm taking the Beauty Bakerie Flour Powder in the color Yellow. And this is one of the most finely milled powders I have ever used, and I love it. Beauty Bakerie, you guys are bomb. Thank you. Just so you know. I'm gonna move into contouring and bronzing of sorts. I'm taking the Morphe Definition Pro Warm Palette. I think that's right. This palette. I'm taking this palette right here. I'm going to do like a hybrid of bronzing and contouring, if you will, because this doesn't have shimmer bronzer. This is like all matte. This is all matte bronzers. So when I bronze with this palette, I usually take this color here, which is like this warm, it's a warm deep color. And I just use that to bronze, so I'll tap and buff. To contour, going back into that palette again. I'm going to take these two colors here, which are the cooler shades, and I'm using the cooler shades because obviously I want to sculpt. So, and around my temple and hairline area, I actually have to press that powder in because I sweat so bad, and that's where I start sweating the most. Like, I already feel how damp it is, and it sucks. Ugh, I hate being hot natured, as my grandmother would say. I'm hot in the ass. I'm gonna go in and carve out my contour. Now, thankfully, my beard does most of that for me, but still. So I'm just gonna go back in with that Beauty Bakerie powder and just go on the jawline. So, while that's baking, I'm gonna do my brows. You guys have seen me do my brows before. If you haven't, there will be a link for my brow tutorial here. So now I'm just going to do my brows, and then we're gonna get right into the eyes. So, the brows are done. I'm going to start on the eyes. I'm gonna be dipping into a few other palettes just for like here and there. The main color for this palette will be coming out of the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna start by taking this like soft brown orange color called Jamila, and I'm going to use that as a bit of a transition. I'm going to take this color right here called Katsina. You guys know I suck at this. Katsina, which is this soft beige, and that honestly is the color of my complexion, but I'm using it to help blend out that transition color even more, so it helps to make things seamless, and that's what we want here. The goal here is seamless beauty. On a small dome bullet brush, I'm going to take Chad. I'm going to take Chad, which is this black color, or this black shadow, black color obviously, and of course this is a halo eye, so this is going to start here. Am I doing this right? Yes. I'm going to start that and put that right on the outer third, as well as the inner third. And we're just placing that. And you don't have to go heavy-handed because it's a black shadow. So next, with a small bullet, or small taper brush, I'm actually going to dip into the Morphe 15N palette. This color called Hello. And what I'm going to do is take that, place it right beside that black, and I'm going to carry it up into the crease. Next, I'm going to take a smaller blending brush. This one's from e.l.f. and I'm just going to buff that black and that deep mauve together. Now we're going to go back into the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take this color Soooooo, which is this bright, vibrant neon red. And what we're going to do here is just kind of place it all over the main lid. And what you want to do with this color is actually go over that black and brown a little bit, because the point of the black and the brown were to help give definition. And so with this color, it's going to bring vibrancy into the eye. So as you can see, it's it looks a little intimidating, I promise you. It's not. So I'm just gonna go and blend all that out again, and we are really just blending and buffing. Now you guys are probably like, oh Darius, she look crazy. Oh, where's the good stuff? Here's what you've come for, people. Now we're gonna do our halo eye. Of course, you know, halo eyes consist of concealer and all that lovely stuff. So I'm just going in with my concealer, taking a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to go and start right at the center of the lid put that there, and I'm going to slowly work my way up. And where I want to go is like right before that deep brown stop. Now, dipping into the palette again, I am taking the color Bretman. I'm taking Bretman, and on like a tapered blending brush, I'm just gonna put that on the, just kind of like place it here and here. And then of course taking soooooo again and just kind of helping to marry those shades together. Next we're going to take this color called Juvia, and that is like a champagne-ish gold with a little bit of pink, and we're going to take that on the main part of the lid. I'm going to go up, but not all the way up to where that concealer stops. And to finish off that halo, I am taking a small detail brush, and I'm going into the color Iman, which is this frosty white, and that's going to go at the very top, and it's going to go in the very middle of that golden shade from before. So now you have that beautiful sunset halo. So let me do the other eye real quick. I finished up the other cut crease, or I finished up the other halo. I just went in and highlighted my brow bone with that golden color, and then the inner corners with the Iman, the white. Now to finish up the bottom lashes, or the bottom eye, I'm going to first line my bottom lash line with a white liner. Next I'm going to dip into the BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette, and oh dear God, I'm going to take the color Pluto, which is the deep purple at the bottom. I'm going to use that to start smudging my bottom lash line, and where I'm placing this is like at the outer corner. Next, out of that same palette, I'm going to take the color Cosmic, which is a very light lavender, and that's going to be placed in the rest of the bottom lash line. To finish that, I'm taking the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. I love this mascara because it's really soft. Like, you know how like with some mascaras, it can make your eyelashes really dry. This mascara doesn't. It's almost reminiscent, and I talked about this in a past video, but this mascara is very reminiscent of the Colossal Big Shot for me, because it can make your eyelashes very voluminous. It's not as intense as Colossal Big Shot, but it does its job. And the great thing about this is that it keeps your eyelashes very soft thanks to that coconut infused. I think it's coconut infused. Now I'm going to go off camera and finish up the eyes by putting on the Eylure and Lee So Lush Lash. You guys know I love Eylure's Vlogger collaboration lashes. This is one of my favorites. It's part of the Mink, the Faux Mink series. So I'm going to throw these on real quick, and I'm going to be back to finish up the face. So stay tuned. For blush, I'm going to be taking the Saharan 2 blush palette from Juvia's Place. I'm actually going to be taking B, which is a soft dusty rose mauve, and Solo, which is this pink shimmery shade. And in the video that I posted this look in, I was using the Morphe Babe in Paradise palette in collaboration with Bretman Rock. If you want to see my thoughts on that palette, you can click the link above for that. I'm going to be using this palette to highlight, and I'm actually going to be using the color Baby Girl. Baby Girl. I'm going to use Baby Girl to highlight my face. Now we're going to finish up with the lips. I feel like the lips were a big part of this look. And originally I didn't wear a liner, but I feel like for this, to make this look more precise, I'm going to use liner. So I'm going to be taking the NYX Suede matte lip liner in the color Oh Put It On. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle lipstick in the color One of the Boys. And that lip liner automatically makes this lip look more flattering than before. And I love this lipstick formula because it's so plush and soft on the lips, but it's still matte. Rihanna girl. To set my face, I am taking the number 7 Hydrating Mineral Water Spray. This spray is great to like give your face a fresh look and appeal. Alright you guys, that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you guys. Like I said, I love this look so much and I was so happy that you guys wanted to see this look and see a tutorial for it. So I'm happy I could help you. I'm happy you're happy that I'm happy that you're happy. We're all happy here. For a full list of products, everything will be listed in the description box below. As always, before I go, make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload videos. I upload new videos every week. So yeah, get into the gig, you guys. Go ahead, subscribe, hit the bell, be a part of the family so you can see me and I can talk to you. Also, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media accounts. That is NeonMUA on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, as well as Lionheart555 on Snapchat. All of that will be in the description box below as well. And you guys, until next time,